Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to this video. And in this one today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually set 30 SMMA appointments per month. So again, this video is going to be really high value. I hope you enjoy it. If you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And let's hop right into it. Okay, so just to start off with, I'm not going to be going through the outreach methods that you need to put into place today to actually set these meetings. I've got a bunch of other videos, tens and tens of other videos on actually how to do the outreach. So again, go and check out my channel if you haven't already and check out all of those outreach videos. Because in today's video, I want to give you more insights on how you can actually set more meetings off the back of that outreach. Now, the first tip that I have for you today is very, very simple, but it just comes to reverse engineering your goals. So let's say you want to land 30 SMMA meetings a month. So give or take, that's about one meeting per day that you know you need to set. Now, rather than just thinking, okay, I want to set one a day, let's go out and just do outreach. I'll do 10 today, 20 tomorrow, 15 the day after. That's not really going to work. You need to know your numbers and then work backwards. So if you know you need to set one meeting per day, and you know that for every 3 responses that you get from an outreach message, you probably set one meeting. So now all of a sudden you know, well, I need to get 3 responses a day to set up one meeting a day. Then you may say, well, how much outreach do I need to actually do to get those 3 responses? And you may know on average you get about a 10% response rate. So you know you need to do 30 outreach per day to get the 3 responses needed to on average set one meeting per day. All of a sudden, you've reverse engineered it to not say, okay, I need to just set one a day, I'm gonna go crazy and it's gonna be all sporadic and different on a day-to-day basis. You know consistently you need to stick to hitting 30 outreach per day. So again, if you're consistent and you stick to it, you know just by the law of the data that you've been working on previously, just by keeping track of those numbers, you know on average, if you do 30 outreach a day, you're gonna be able to set up one meeting. So again, that's extremely, extremely important. So what I recommend you do is know your numbers and mix and match that with your favorite outreach methods. If you know 30 outreach on Upwork leads to 3 responses and 1 meeting, well then boom, there you go, there you have it, there's your plan. Hit 30 outreach per day on Upwork. Obviously, if you want more than this many meetings, for sure, go for it. Hit 60 a day, 50 a day, do some cold calling, whatever you want on top. That's obviously going to be additional, but at a bare minimum, you need to hit 30 a day, because if you don't, you're not going to hit it. So again, that was just my first tip for you. Reverse engineer the numbers. You don't just want to know, okay, I want to set X amount of meetings today. You need to reverse engineer that to know how much outreach per day you need to commit to in order to make that happen. Now, my second tip that I have for you today when it comes to setting more meetings is very simple. It's just ask for the meeting within the first 1 to 2 messages that you're having with your prospect. I see it happen so often that people drag out the sales cycle, they drag out the sales process, and they won't push for a meeting until the 5th or 6th interaction. Why? You know, if you've got a response, let's say you do an outreach message on Upwork, somebody responds to you. Don't wait until message number 6 to ask for a meeting. In that first message, at the latest in the second message, push for that meeting. Okay, great. Are you free to hop on a call tomorrow? Ask for it, because the sooner that you get them to commit to that meeting, you get them to show up to the meeting, the more likely you are to actually close the deal. And obviously the more likely the meeting is to actually happen. If you wait 6 days, trust me, I know this, business owners get busy, they get distracted. Someone else might have approached them and asked them for a meeting quicker than you have. So be fast, ask for a meeting within the first 1 to 2 messages that you have with your prospects. Now, the next tip that I have for you again is a very simple one, but it's so powerful. You want to make it as easy as possible for your prospect to hop on a call and have a meeting. The worst thing you want to make it seem like is that you're going to get on that call and sell them. Trust me, prospects would not have any interest in hopping on a call with you if they think they're just going to get hard sold. They do not want that. So make it easy for them. And the best way to do it, I'm just going to give you 2 examples. Number 1, okay, are you free tomorrow so we can hop on a call and I can give you some more information on our services and then we can move forward and work together? Or something like, are you free tomorrow so I can share some ideas with you? I'd love to give you some more information. Again, this one here, I'd love to share some ideas with you. That's not salesy. I want to share some ideas. Let's see if we're a good fit. That's a lot easier for them to be like, okay, you know what? This guy ain't going to sell me. I'm going to hop on a call. This is, I'm going to get something from this because he wants to share some ideas. I'm going to learn something. You have to put yourself in your client's or prospect's position. You know, if you get a cold call come through and you know you're going to get sold, you're not going to pick up the phone. You're going to decline it before you even answer. However, if you think someone's coming to the table to provide you some free value, then of course you're going to answer the phone. And it works the exact same way with your prospects as well. So from a very simple point of view, just keep it easy. Don't make it seem that they're going to get hard sold. Make it as easy as possible for them to just accept the call. Now, the final tip that I have for you today when it comes to setting more appointments, very easy. It's something I push all of the time on this channel. It's my big ethos behind social media marketing, okay? It's what I believe in more than anything, and that is you want to focus on higher intent leads. If you want more appointments, focus on higher intent leads. And what I mean by this is, if you do a cold call, you don't know if you're going to speak to the business owner or decision maker, you're probably going to get to a gatekeeper. Then off the back of that as well, you have no idea if they have any interest to do social media marketing. They may not be able to afford it. There's a million reasons. They're not high intent. Focus on leads that are high intent. They're ready to take action today. They're interested. This is going to mean more meetings set. So this can be freelance websites like Upwork. This can be recruitment websites. These are places where people are actively looking for help with social media, meaning because they have that high intent to work with someone, obviously the chances that you get a yes to, when you propose a meeting, it's skyrocketed compared to something such as a cold call or a complete and outright cold email. So I highly recommend, if you do want more meetings set, you want to close and have, a meeting a day, then, focus on those higher intent leads. Is going to make a huge difference. Because all of a sudden, rather than having to do 300 outreach a day to set that one meeting, or 100 outreach a day to set that one meeting, you perhaps only have to do 30 a day, 20 a day, 15 a day. So again, it's just, why make it harder for yourself when you can keep it simple? Just focus on that higher intent. Now, hopefully you guys found a bunch of value in this video today. If you did, again, please drop a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you are interested in even more higher level training, if you want me to personally mentor you every single day, hold your hand, give you an action plan, answer your questions, and really help you to grow your business on a personal level, I recommend you check out the top link of the description for the Entrepreneur Accelerator Mentorship Group. Now, this mentorship group is ridiculously high value, but it's also ridiculously low priced. The reason it's only $30 per month is because I know everybody can benefit from a mentor, but not everyone can afford a mentor, right? Not everyone can afford a $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 mentorship program. Yet everybody can benefit from having someone there who's been there, done that, experienced it, can answer your questions. But again, that's why I've made it only $30 per month. So you can get my personal help, access to my team, access to the amazing network of other entrepreneurs. We've got weekly live calls, weekly advanced trainings. I'm going to be doing some free events this year as well. And it's a ridiculously low cost, low investment for you guys. So I recommend you check that out. Top link in the description. I'd love to mentor you and help you take your business to the next level. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.